I have said whatever I have said based on authentic conversations with people who have absolutely no reason to lie. And I request the Indian Army that because they have reacted to my statement, I am a very ordinary citizen, one of the largest armies of the world has reacted to my statement. Let the Indian Army conduct an inquiry into the incidents that I have mentioned. I will depose before them. I will give them the particulars of the incidents where this has happened. Let them initiate an inquiry. And if the people are found guilty, if what I'm saying is found to be true, then the Indian Army should give us an assurance that people will actually be punished, because we saw in Ranjan Gogoi's case, there was evidence that the army's own SOPs were violated. But there was no, I will give the Aadhaar to the Indian Army when they initiate an inquiry.
She had tried to somehow provoke people that they should breach the peace and they should try to engage into some kind of riots, because she had tried to give some false image of some false scenario image which is going on in Kashmir. Whereas if you see her tweets, she had not adduced any evidence, she had not given any evidence to substantiate her tweets. She had not said that from where she got this information exactly. She had not supplied any audio recording. She had not given any evidence at all. And on the face of it, the tweets made by her were absolutely false, and allegations made by her were solely to malign the image of our Indian Army and to incite violence. Keeping in view the seriousness, and the situation was so bad that the Indian Army had to step out, and Indian Army came out, and on your ANI only, Indian Army issued a statement on that day itself that whatever allegations she has made are absolutely false, and there is not even an iota of truth in it. So on the basis of these two things, I filed a complaint before Delhi police saying that most serious and stringent action must be taken against her for maligning the image of our country, for maligning the image of our Indian Army, and also for inciting violence. And on the basis of my complaint, now Delhi police has registered FIR, and serious charges of sedition and other serious charges of IPC have been included.